Okay, first one of the day, returning client with his lovely Ducati Multistrada 950S. I have been doing this gentleman's bikes for the last 6 or 7 years. I have not seen this one in some time, so it's looking a little sad in places. We get all these caliper bolts off, get those cleaned up. I'll get that belly pan off of there so as to get access to that exhaust. He's going to go with one of our legendary full Monty valets, which will include the XCP corrosion protection. Get some lube back on that chain. Like I said, we'll get all that exhaust all minted up like new. Let's get this belly pan off of here. A little corrosion here and there. Like I said, I've not seen him in some time, and he does ride this all through the winter, so it's not too bad. Let's work a little trot magic. Okay, just coming to the final stages on this Multistrada 950. Just gonna put a nice bit of copper slip lube on these before I put the belly pan on. Check out that exhaust, that has come up as new. Got a nice new ramp now, makes it a bit easier to get underneath, saves my knees and back. Everything's been XCP'd. All your little caliper bolts that were all corroded up have been polished. Look at that exhaust. All the collector box has been polished, everything's been lubed up. Now we'll get this belly pan on, get it back down. We'll do one more stage polish on the bodywork, and then we'll just top up the ceramic. All the plastics have been treated with the Ultimaxx Trim-X. So now we'll just do that bodywork, and this Multistrada is done. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Multistrada 950S has been fully trotted and looking as new. Oh my gosh, this thing comes up a right treat. This had one of our legendary full works valets, 2-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, Ultimaxx ceramic on all the plastics and on all the bodywork, all the wheels, all your banjo bolts, everything's been polished, all up underneath, as you saw a minute ago. All done, 3 hours on the dot. This is one way to keep your bike looking like new from years to come. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.